Like YouTube name?
Yeah.
Mine is just my full name, Kevin Marcus Jr.
Subscribe to Kevin Marcus Jr.
Thank you, bro.
Hey.
You know those days where like you plan to be super productive and like you've been waiting on this day to come for the last few days, and then you wake up in the morning and you don't feel like doing shit? That's how the last 12 hours has gone for me. So literally all week I've been planning on meeting up with Watts, who is right there, and we were gonna go to a coffee shop, or we went to a coffee shop this morning, and I wanted to vlog it, and I just woke up and I just wasn't feeling it, and we got there and I tried to shoot like 3 times at least, and just nothing really wanted to flow. Nothing would come out. Everything was annoying me. So yeah, it's now 12 hours past that, and I am trying my best this weekend to fulfill my commitment of making something for myself. I wouldn't say that I'm feeling burned out, but I'm definitely feeling less motivated to pick up the camera and film anything. And I've been trying to figure out why that is, and I think it's because in the last like couple months I haven't really done a ton of photos. I haven't taken really any video for myself for these vlogs aside from the grandma video, but I just feel like everything I've been doing with my camera and with editing and as far as making content has been for other people, and I miss that feeling of clicking the upload button for myself. Basically, this right here is like a quick update, and it's me like diving back into the pool. Like they say, like, don't put your foot in, just dive in. This is me like trying to dive right back in and just start filming stuff again for myself and creating these vlogs and really like dedicating some time to put out any sort of like short film content that I want to put out. And it's weird, it's like the holiday time when you take like a couple days off for Thanksgiving, and then Monday you try to go to the gym and it's just not really happening. That's kind of how I feel like with these videos. I feel like I've taken too much time off, and now it's like I feel rusty. I feel like it's hard to like figure out what idea that I want to put out. So this might be super long-winded for that update, but yeah, I told myself that I was gonna film a video and put one out this weekend, so this is that, as boring as it is. Ready to head out? All right, I'm gonna meet you guys. Thank you.
Next week, I want you.
Maybe I can.
You can help me on my YouTube or on my Facebook.
Suggest a vlog
then
topic.
You put everything on my Facebook. Everything comes to you, don't we? You put your contact, everything. Then wait for a few days. When it's like running, come, man. Thank you.
I have absolutely no idea what he's talking about, and he won't stop.
I gotta give me a million. I don't take none of them serious. I'm sending them shout out to Terriers. My verses I feel like artillery funny cause y'all be killing me. I don't give a fuck if she feeling me. If I'm on that bitch that was silling me. My exes follow me on IG but they don't like a thing. And watch all of my stories. Hope they all happy for me. I want the life with a glory.
I legitimately don't really know what he was saying to me.
What?
Do you have any idea what that guy was saying?
No.
I have no idea what he was talking about.
Something about t-shirt?
T-shirt and Facebook and his phone.
I mean, he's trying to help hype you up, but I don't know about that.
It didn't work. I feel like if this line right here is hype, I feel a lot far below it. All right, I think that's it. I got nothing else. If you like this video and that guy's dancing, I'll probably get copyright flagged for that song because I have no idea who it was. I'm gonna put Watts' stuff in the description card, maybe like a link right here, and then I'll put it in the description box, it's called. Yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, do everything everyone else says, and I'll see you next week.